Okay, welcome, Michael, here at Aalto University.
Yes, thank you very much. I'm happy to visit here. This is my first time here.
Yeah, it was really an honor for us to have you here. And so how's your impression here at Aalto University?
Yeah, I think it's very modern, up to date. It feels almost futuristic. And if you look at the environment here, and we have the Aalto design, the architecture things, which are. So I was very impressed by that during my first. And this is still winter, so I know that in the summer
Yeah,
it's exceptionally nice.
Yeah, the city looks entirely different in summer here. Yeah, although the winter started late this year.
And so on. And also I think that the mixture that you have here of the arts and also the business
Yeah.
and science is quite attractive.
Yeah. So basically, like that's the unique thing about Aalto University that kind of encourages people for multidisciplinary studies. So now we have a School of Science, Business and Science, Arts and Design. So they're all in one campus. So in order to improve the interaction between students with different backgrounds, that's very important for innovation. Where people with different backgrounds come up and discuss things and invent new ideas. So for innovation, it's very important.
I've seen those things also. I know that this have been to some workshops like with cultural heritage and things, and I know that those things bind people, and then you have the scientific things which bind people, and at the end it should be some business. So this was almost perfect for me to come here. So.
And I think if you look at the rankings, Aalto University is improving its ranking very rapidly.
Yes.
So very
Just
new,
in 10 years,
Just in 10
yes.
years. So founded in
Fantastic.
2009-10, and now within 9-10 years, it's already like number 9 in the young university categories in the world, and the international ranking is 134. So you can imagine it's so rapid
Yes,
growth,
yes.
all because of this multidisciplinary research.
So I think this is also a very nice environment for your new project,
Yeah, that's right.
which is in the fuel cells and for the future possibilities.
Yeah, I think so. I think Aalto is very encouraging this multidisciplinary research, which is very much needed in my project, Academy of Finland project, this 5 years project on leading edge next generation fuel cells. So I think like Aalto is providing the right environment for it.
It's still young and dynamic, but it's still not so traditional, so it follows some lines of thinking or fields and so on. It's very dynamic. And I remember you told me that in this fuel cell community, there are different opinions about things, but you're making this systematic study, so you listen to all
the opinions, and fortunately we have excellent facilities here which allows us to do this systematic study. We have excellent characterization techniques here, electrochemical, optical, spectroscopic techniques, and when we apply all of them, we get a broader understanding of the topic. And that's really excellent for my project, that we can understand the mechanism in the devices, improve the devices, and provide this a new element of innovation, which is very important for commercialization of this technology.
Yeah, so I'm fascinated by it. And also you have this international character, because that's a part of also the university, but in the project, but also you have something in China ongoing.
Yeah. So basically this mobility is an important aspect of my project. So we have like collaboration with leading research groups in the world, and one of them is in China. And fortunately now I also get a position there. I'm professor in China, in Hubei University, in Wuhan. And so there we have excellent resources there in China also. And I think this is very important for my project to use resources both in Finland and China, and because especially the industry in China, it's really growing rapidly.
Yeah, it's a rapid things and many things are ongoing. So this will be a great opportunity for us to take part of your experiences. So like at NANOENERGY 2020, which is in September in Manchester, I asked you to come and share your experiences both from the research community point of view, but also the innovation aspects which could be related to these ones.
Yeah, I will be honored and very happy to discuss.
Yeah, this is a super great example because this fuel cell is very much for the future, and it will be used in different ways. So the traditional things we learn from it now, and then the other people will be encouraged by such characters so they can initiate their own fields of studies.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's really encouraging, and encourage people to have more multidisciplinary background, learn from each other, and take advantage of other people's expertise. We don't need to know everything. Rather, we can
collaboration is very, very important.
I think collaboration is very important.
So I think that this is a very nice visit at the Aalto University. I'm visiting you and your research group, and I hope we will have further updates in the future in the research, but also the innovation part.
It's really nice to have you here, and yeah, definitely, let's continue. Thanks.